Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, manipulate arrays with pop. Another way to change the data in an array is with the .pop function. .pop is used to pop a value of the end of an array. We can store this popped off value by assigning it to variable. In other words, .pop removes the last element from an array and returns that element. Any type of entry can be popped off an array, numbers, strings, even nested arrays. So here we have array of three numbers 1, 4 and 6. And in the second variable 1 down, we will use the first array 3 array dot pop. Then the value that will be stored in 1 down will be 6, as it is the last element in the array. And when we see in console 3 array, then we will see that it will return 1 and 4 inside an array, means 6 is removed here. The task for this challenge: use the pop function to remove the last item from my array, assigning the pop of value to remove from my array. So we have to change code here, where is equal to my array dot pop, and it should work. Use the pop function to remove the last item from my array, assigning the popped of value to removed from my array. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.